Want to capture your adventures in crystal clear 4K, no matter where you go, rain, snow, or underwater? Today, we're breaking down the top 5 best action cameras of 2025, built for adrenaline seekers, travelers, and content creators who demand the very best. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm your host, bringing you the latest and best in tech and gadgets every week. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Number 1. DJI Osmo Action 4. Kicking things off with the DJI Osmo Action 4, a powerhouse action camera built for serious creators. Product info. Shoots 4K at 120 frames per second with a 1.3-inch sensor. Delivers stunning low-light performance and 10-bit D-Log-M color for cinematic detail. Waterproof up to 18 meters without a case. Up to 160 minutes of battery life, perfect for long adventures. Reviews say users rave about its excellent image stability, realistic color tones, and superior performance in dark conditions, making it perfect for underwater and night shots. Pros: exceptional image quality and stabilization. Long-lasting battery. Great for low light or underwater scenes. Number 2. GoPro Hero 13 Black. Next up is the GoPro Hero 13 Black Ultra Wide Edition, the latest beast from GoPro, and yes, it's everything you'd expect and more. Product info. Captures 5.3K 60 video and 27MP photos. Features an ultra-wide 177 degrees field of view with new HB series lens compatibility. Legendary hyper-smooth stabilization for shake-free footage. Fully waterproof and rugged for extreme conditions. Reviews say users love the smooth footage, vibrant color, and ultra-wide perspective, ideal for biking, surfing, or travel vlogging. Pros: outstanding 5.3K detail and color. Advanced stabilization. Wide FOV, perfect for immersive action shots. Number 3. Insta360 GO 3s. The Insta360 GO 3 is a tiny but mighty action cam that redefines portability. Product info. 4K recording in a compact, wearable design. Hands-free POV shooting mounted anywhere. Up to 140 minutes of battery life. 10-meter waterproof rating. Ideal for sports, travel, and vlogging. Reviews say people love how light and versatile it is, perfect for mounting on helmets, pets, or anywhere creative. Pros: ultra portable and lightweight. Excellent stabilization. Unique mounting flexibility. Number 4. Insta360 1RS. Coming in at number 4 is the Insta360 1RS Twin Edition, a 2-in-1 modular powerhouse. Product info. Switch between 4K 60fps wide-angle lens and 5.7K 360 lens. 48MP photos, active HDR, and AI-powered editing. Waterproof design, perfect for any terrain. Seamless app integration for on-the-go editing. Reviews say users call it a content creator's dream, offering professional versatility with quick modular swaps. Pros: dual lens flexibility, standard plus 360 degrees. Excellent image clarity. AI tools simplify post-production. Number 5. GoPro Hero 10. And finally, rounding off our list, the GoPro Hero 10 Black, a proven classic that still holds strong in 2025. Product info. 5.3K 60 Ultra HD video and front LCD plus rear touchscreen. Waterproof up to 10 meters. Hyper-smooth 4.0 stabilization. Perfect balance of performance and affordability. Reviews say viewers love its rock-solid reliability, smooth footage, and intuitive interface, a timeless favorite among action enthusiasts. Pros: excellent stabilization and video quality. Durable build. Great value in 2025. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. And that wraps up our top 5 best action cameras of 2025, each one bringing something unique for every type of creator or adventurer. Whether you're diving, hiking, or vlogging your daily life, these cameras are ready for anything. If you enjoyed this video, drop a like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest tech reviews every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.